The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, kiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Hadin ke jiakaran bat kinong yalam ka KSU. Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma ulai tu. Bahaka baidai bat ke Jingdawa ban penduno ya ka personal interview. La shim ya karai nak benta ki grade C non-technical post. Larai ban Naduh ka shitarik Kyllalyngkot arjar penyo on penduno ya ka personal interview. Nak benta ka MPSC Urlong bakala don ka komiti ka baped kumno ban penbet tambain do ya ka rukom tungkam. Bat kata ka komiti kala proyek arpulai teli kimat bat napadang kita khar khandai teli la pentrekam bat sau teli kadang don ka jingpet benia bat kan sanang don shushu ka jingalang bat ka KSU bania perkhalang.
So I informed them that we had already taken decision. For grade D is already being implemented. For grade C we have taken a decision that from 1st of January 2027 all interview notifications that come out from that day onwards for grade C non-technical posts, the interview will be abolished, and this decision has been taken already. I also informed them that the standard operating procedures for the DSC has also been cleared, and further this will be adopted by the different recruitment boards. Also at the same time there were some reforms in the MPSC that were mentioned. I shared with them that the committee that was part of the reforms committee for MPSC had suggested to us 23 reforms, and out of the 23 reforms 19 have already been implemented and 4 are under consideration. So a large number, majority of the reforms have been implemented. And there were some concerns raised that the advertisements that are made by the MPSC is open to the entire country, whereas in other states, like even in Assam, certain interviews that we have seen or exams, it mentions that residents of Assam only can apply. So of course there are certain legal hurdles there, which we shared with the members, and I informed them that next week the Deputy Chief Minister, President Tinsong, will be discussing this matter in more details so that we can find a legally strong ground on which we can implement this. I shared with the members that in fact this is some issue that we are completely in line and agreeable. We know that this is something we want to do. We're just figuring out how it should be done so that it can stand the scrutiny of the judiciary. So these points were also shared and discussed. So with that, of course, we concluded the meeting, and the union members have urged and requested that this dialogue should continue. There were 20 points that they had mentioned in the beginning, out of which they've picked 5 only. The other 15 also they would like to talk. I told them that yes, for us also as a government, we are very open. We are always looking for suggestions and ways to improve the overall service that we give to the people. And obviously every stakeholder's concerns, every stakeholder's opinions are important to us. And wherever possible, the government will look at all these discussions and the points that are mentioned and will try to implement wherever it's possible in a positive manner and wherever it is making sense and helping the people in the state at large.
Iperti yang tau ki Iwan, ko wi ko prom ko au khanai phi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแบมกว่าลายสกอมคันตอมฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทอย่างกินหลักพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งki khmat phom chna yi ya phayo dai
Kong Ivan ong no ya gabe husu ya garam mo to lebun ra garam tem etiar de pi. Kau kong mana?
Oh ya khi biểu ngài này mà. Em khi mà vào teman em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu.
Kami ni pergi yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngaku ai amalai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok. Dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga sampel desain gua ar. Dah hikai segi desain mana je ya kan ya sampel desain.
Segini ke cek tu ram besar ke arma.
Kamu dah terang laduk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.